Hello everyone, my name is Jose Diaz. I am the online learning manager here at FIT SUNY, and today we're going to be covering how to record lecture videos using Screencast-o-Matic, a free tool. Once we do that, we're going to move our video over to YouTube. We're going to learn how to upload your video, how to protect your video, and how to edit your transcript, and how to get the embed code from YouTube. So the tool that we're going to use today is called Screencast-o-Matic. You can find it at screencast-o-matic.com. And like I said, it's a free tool. It allows you to record up to 15 minutes. You can do screen capture. You can use webcam if you're just doing a talking head video, or if you're doing both, if you want to record your slides, and if you also want to have picture-in-picture, a small screen of your talking head in the corner, it's also possible. And so the way it works is anything inside this box is being recorded. There's a kind of like a zebra black and white box. So anything outside that box will not get recorded. First few things you would like to check is over here where it says narration. You want to make sure that your mic is on. So right here I'm using an external mic, and if you have a green meter, you are getting audio. The resolution of the screen changes. If you are doing a screen capture, whenever you grab the corners, like for example here, as you can see, the resolution will change. And over here we have preferences, and on the bottom left here you have the record button and you have the gear button. So right now I'm going to remove this, it's in my way. You can always bring it back by clicking the gear button. So as soon as you're ready to record, you click on this button and it will give you a timer. So I'm going to do a quick screen capture and I'll show you how it works. There's your timer, and it says go. So right now we're recording. Over here you can see the mouse, the cursor is moving around, and you can also highlight the cursor so you can emphasize whatever it is you're pointing. And once you're done recording, also over here in the bottom you can see the 15-minute max. As soon as you hit that 15-minute max, the video will stop. So I'm going to click pause for now. You have an option to trash it if you are not happy with it. I'm going to click on done. Now this will allow me to preview the video that I just recorded. I'm going to go ahead and click play. And as you can see, the screen was being captured. And let's say I'm happy with this for now. You have now an option. You can save it as a video file. It will go automatically on your desktop. You can also upload it to Screencast-o-Matic, and you can also upload to YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and click on upload to YouTube. I have already integrated my YouTube account with Screencast-o-Matic, but if you're doing this for the first time, it's going to ask for permission so that Screencast-o-Matic can integrate with your YouTube account. So what you would do is you would just click the allow button, and then you would just have to do that one time, and your Screencast-o-Matic will be connected to your YouTube account. This is another cool feature about Screencast-o-Matic. It allows you to change the title, the description of your video. You can even add tags. You can here change whether you want the video to be public, private, or unlisted. Basically, public means anyone can see your video. Unlisted means only those who have the link to your video can see the video. Private means only you can watch your video. I like the highlight cursor option because it allows me to emphasize where I want students to look at on the screen. And over here we have captions, but we have the free account, so we don't we won't be able to transcribe our videos from here. And this is one of the main reasons that we're using YouTube to make our videos more accessible with the auto-generated captions that YouTube provides. Once you're done making changes here, you can click on the publish button. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a title because I think it's very important that you give your title, your videos a good title. And I can't type today. Screencast-o-Matic demo. You can make these changes on the YouTube side, but it's really cool to to be able to actually do these changes before you bring the video over to YouTube. And I think we're done, so I'm going to go ahead and click publish. Now you see a window here that says publish to YouTube, and you see the percent. So depending on how long your video is, the longer it will take to encode. So this new window pops up. It allows you to share your videos with social media here, like your email, Facebook, Google Classroom, or Twitter. And you can also copy the link. We're not going to use none of these because what we're going to do is we are going to grab the embed code from YouTube, and that's what we're going to use to embed the video into Blackboard. Okay, so now we're going to move over to our YouTube channel. And so we're at youtube.com. I am connected with my FIT email account, and FIT is a Google school. So if you log in with your FIT email and you open a new tab, for example, if you open a new tab and type in youtube.com, if you're already logged into your Gmail account, you will be automatically logged into your YouTube account. So over here, you can click on your avatar, and in the bottom here where it says Creator Studio, that's where we want to go. This will open up the dashboard, and on this dashboard you have a menu on the left side. Over here you have a what looks like the video manager, and on the right you have analytics. But I'm interested in looking at our video manager just to see all the videos that I have in there. And now this is your video manager. So this right here is the video that I just did on Screencast-o-Matic. It automatically got pushed into my YouTube channel. As you can see, this video yet hasn't been transcribed. The reason I can tell is because it doesn't have the CC button next to it. YouTube automatically generates captions for you. Depending on how long the video is, it might take longer. For example, if your video is 5 or 10 minutes long, it'll take a little longer for you to auto-generate those captions for you. So over here, I'm going to click on the edit button. And so we're in the Screencast-o-Matic demo. This is the screen capture that I did using Screencast-o-Matic. We see our title over here. We see that a short description that says recorded using Screencast-o-Matic. We can see that the video is unlisted. Let's say, for example, if you forgot to make the video unlisted on Screencast-o-Matic, you can click here and make it unlisted, or if you want to change it to public or private, you can still do so from the edit screen. Over here you get the link, the video URL to the video. You get some information as to when the video was uploaded, what's the duration of the video. And what I want to draw your attention over to the top menu where you see subtitles. So if you click on subtitles, so here what you would do is you would click English, set language, and as you can see, since we just uploaded the video, there are no captions for this video. So I'm going to show you a video that I already did before, and it has captions. So this video down here, as you can see, has the CC button. If I click on it, then I go back to the subtitles button on the top. Down here you see a button that says published English automatic. So this, once you see the automatic, this means that this is an auto-generated transcript that is done by YouTube. So I'm going to click on that. So on the right side you see the video, on the left side you see the transcript, but they are not clickable yet. So over here we click on edit, and now I can click on video. For example, if I see a mistake, I can correct it. I see one already here. It says hello FIT and it has FI space capital T. So I want to go ahead and correct that. I click inside there and I click the delete button. Just put a capital F and capital I. Now it says hello FIT, Deborah Payton Jones. I'm the volunteer coordinator and today we are. So I must say YouTube has done an amazing job in the last year or so. The auto transcription, I think, is about 98 to maybe even 99% accurate. There are going to be some mistakes here and there, especially if there's noise in the room, and or if you have a heavy accent or multiple people speaking. There will be more errors if that's the case. But so if you click on the play button, as you can see, so video plays and you can see that it's I don't know, I'm not sure if you can hear the audio, but you can follow along and you can see that the caption is synced, and you can pause and make your corrections. Once you're done making the correction, you can click on the Save Changes button and then click Publish. Once that is done, let's go back into our video manager and click on videos. Once you have that done and your video is captioned, next thing you will do is you will click on the title of the video and you click on it one more time. What we want to do is we want to get this share button on the bottom here. Click on that. Oh, my video is still playing in the back there. Let me click pause. Let me pause my video. Okay, there is pause. Oh, you can see the cursor is highlighted. That's what we wanted. Going back here, I'm going to click share. And what we want is the embed. We don't want the URL link. What we want to do is we want to grab the embed code. So we click on embed. On the left side here, you see the video. On the right hand side, you see the HTML code. This is the embed code that you're going to use to embed the video into Blackboard. A cool feature that YouTube has is you can start the video at any point. For example, if I do, I want the video to start at the 10-second mark. You can do that. Right now I'm not interested in doing that, so I'm just going to take that off. Very important to notice that there are many options below, so don't forget to scroll down. And one thing we don't want is show suggested videos when the video finishes. We don't want that. We don't want our students seeing other videos, other YouTube videos. We do want to show player controls. We do want that. And we do want to show video title and player actions. So that we do want. So then we click on the copy button. That copies over the embed code. And now we're going to go over to Blackboard. So right now I'm going to sign into the FIT portal. On the top here, I'm going to click on the Blackboard icon. I'm going to sign into Blackboard. I am now going to open my sandbox course here. And now I'm going to go to my content page. And I want to find the folder where I want my video to live. Let's say I want my video to live in Unit 1, this folder here. So I click on that folder. That folder opens up. The next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on Build Content. I'm going to choose Create an Item. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Screencast-o-Matic demo. And this is the WYSIWYG here, and I'm going to click on the HTML button, because remember we copied our embed code, and now I'm going to paste over our embed code. On a Mac is Command V, on a PC is Control V. Now I want to point out that within this code here you have the width at 560 and the height at 315. These numbers can be changed according to your liking. I'm happy with 560 by 315, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the update button. You're going to see a yellow box here. Don't panic, it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and click submit. So now over here, if you scroll down to the bottom, you see the video that's embedded. Like I said before, you can always change the width and the height of your video. If you go back and click edit, and if you click on the HTML button over here, you can go back in and change the height. If you're not happy with the height or the width, you can always go in there and change it to whatever size you want. So I'm happy with 560 by 315. I'm going to click cancel. And there you go. So our video is embedded in our Blackboard course.